Hello everyone, this is Ricky Davde from Gossipfunda. Let us see why our iPhone keeps restarting and the ways to fix the problem. So for this, we need to go to the settings and then go down to battery. After this, you have to click on battery health and charging and see the maximum capacity of your battery. If it is below 65, then you need to change the battery or at least repair it, because this might be a reason for which or due to which the phone keeps restarting. The next thing that you can do is go to your Apple, go to General and scroll down to software update and keep your phone updated to the latest version of the software. The last thing that you can do is shut down your phone, switch off your phone and reboot it, like restart it again.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you